Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to become a part of our notification squad. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to import presets onto Lightroom. First step is to open Lightroom. After you open it, click on Edit in the menu bar and go to Preference. In Preference, click on the Presets tab. In the Presets tab, you'll see Show Lightroom Presets folder option. Click on it, and the folder of your Lightroom will open up. Open that folder and open Develop Presets in that folder and go to User Presets and paste the preset that you have downloaded. I have downloaded this preset and I'm going to copy it, and that folder, just paste it. After you've done that, click on Restart Lightroom. After the Lightroom restarts, then you open Import a Photo. In the Presets tab, scroll down and you will see User Presets. In that option, you'll be able to find the presets you just pasted.